The Ausker pressure cooker. Fast, safe, and easy to use. Featured on this week's episode of Time Savers.
Time Savers.
Pressure cooking has come a long way since your great-grandparents' time. And the multi-mode, gorgeously designed Ausker pressure cooker is proof. In pressure cooking, your food is cooked in a sealed pot with high-pressured steam, which enables food to retain more nutrients and will reduce cooking times between 50 and 70%. Use the time you save cooking this tenderloin in your Ausker pressure cooker to learn the trombone. Or finally master jogging. Time's up! Tenderloin's ready. Ausker has designed the only pressure cooker with 3 levels of control, so their pressure cooker becomes the ideal way to cook this risotto. A turn of the dial is much simpler than complicated controls on other countertop units. If you cook this recipe 3 times a week for 1 year in the Ausker pressure cooker, you'd have enough extra time to write your novel. Or take up painting. Or whatever you want to do. Ausker has once again introduced a product that combines functionalities with their pressure cooker. The included steaming basket turns your pressure cooker into a steamer. It also comes with a standard glass lid, which turns the unit into a stock pot, perfect for preparing pasta for a large group. 3 devices in one means you're saving space. But if you want space-saving tips, watch Space Savers. This is Time Savers!
Time Savers.
With Ausker, pressure cooking is safer than ever. The Ausker pressure cooker is equipped with a locking safety mechanism. These safety features should save you a lot of time from worrying. Simple, safe, and best of all, fast. The Ausker pressure cooker has got it all, so your meals are tasty and prepared in a flash. How much time will the Ausker pressure cooker save you? Become a supporter on Indiegogo and find out. Who knows? By this time next year, you could start your own TV show about saving time. Thank you for watching Time Savers. We can't guarantee that you will use the time you save with the Ausker pressure cooker on anything productive or useful. We just think this pressure cooker will allow you to spend more time enjoying your life and connecting with your loved ones.